Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones JBL TUNE 770. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth turned on, so open Control Panel and check it right here. Turn on if it's turned off. Your headphones should reconnect to your phone automatically, but there's a problem for iOS devices that we need to do this manually. So on your iPhone, open Settings, go to the Bluetooth and tap at your headphones in the Bluetooth. You can try to do the same on your Android device, because sometimes it happened with all Bluetooth devices that they don't want to reconnect automatically. Next is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to press and hold power button to turn off your headphones, and then press and hold power button to turn on your headphones. Your headphones reconnect to your phone automatically, and this method can fix this problem, but you can also try to reconnect manually. If the soft reset didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press and hold at the same time volume up button and volume down button until your headphones turn off. Here we go. Now you can release your fingers, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click forget this device or forget device or unpair or remove or something else, and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click pair new device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your headphones. And we reconnect them. By the way, if you want to reconnect them with the app, you need to open JBL Headphones application and click Pair. Next, if the factory reset didn't help you, I have one more solution to you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But the problem is, once you did it, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. And firstly, I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone, then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. So on your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to go to the General settings. Click at the General line, then scroll down, and right here at the bottom we have Transfer Reset iPhone line. Tap at this line, then click Reset. In this window you need to select Reset Network Settings, because there is no Reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So tap at this line, then write your password and click Reset Network Settings. But again, once you reset it, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings. Then we need to go to the System. So scroll down, click at the System, then scroll down again, and right here at the bottom we have Reset Options. Tap at this line, then select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click Reset. But again, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.